probably be over here in this neighborhood. Emmett, yeah, lower Dad's now. Which is not too far from 18th Street. Yeah, exactly. Alright. Try to be over here at 1 if you can. I said try to be over here at 1.
I'm trying to think, where can I meet you at 1? Is it the club? Is it right over there by the restaurant?
Try the restaurant supply place. Let's meet there about right at 1 o'clock. Alright, bye.
What are you doing? No, you ain't coming out this way.
Can your makeup remover do that? Use your Gain makeup remover.
You ain't coming out this way.
Shelby could all cancel on Daryl and meet you for lunch at the Chinese food place. Yeah. How can you do that? It's only been 7 minutes since I talked to you. You told me it takes 15, 20 minutes. But okay, that's all right. That's just an idea I was just trying to do for you. I have to be back here at 1 o'clock. I don't want to go all the way back over there. But sorry, no big deal. Why? If I spend 30, 40 minutes